Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest offering from EarFun, their brand new earbuds, the EarFun Air Pro 4. These are priced under $100, and they're packed with features that are hard to beat. EarFun has always been a brand that delivers excellent value, and the Air Pro 4 is no exception. Now let's jump straight into the video and see what these earbuds have to offer. The earbuds themselves have a STEM-style design, similar to the Air Pro 3 from last year, and they come in a matte black finish that looks and feels premium. There are LED lights on the case, which is compact and well-built. Personally, I prefer the STEM style as it's something I've gotten used to since the early days of AirPods. Despite some people not liking this design, it often means better microphone quality, which you will know later in the video. The battery life of EarFun Air Pro 4 is impressive, with up to 11 hours on a single charge and a total of 52 hours with the case. If you use ANC, expect around 7 hours of playback, but remember that using features like ANC and LDAC will drain the battery faster. The fast charge feature gives you 2 hours of playtime from just a 10-minute charge, and wireless charging is also supported. Now, if you're into gaming or just consuming content, the EarFun Air Pro 4 is perfect for you. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a stable connection, and gaming mode reduces audio delay. Whether you're watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, or just YouTube, these earbuds perform well. I haven't noticed any significant delays when gaming, even with titles like Call of Duty or Asphalt Racing. Let's talk about the microphones. The EarFun Air Pro 4 features 6 mics with CVC 8.0 technology, which reduces ambient noise and focuses on your voice during calls. I've been using these for calls over the past week, and they sound fantastic. For the price, the microphone quality is hard to beat. Alright, let's discuss ANC and Transparency Mode. Considering the price point, the ANC performs well, but it's not going to compete with high-end earbuds costing $200 to $300. It's effective at reducing low-end noise like car engines, but you'll still hear some voices. Transparency Mode is solid, allowing you to hear your surroundings clearly, though there's a bit of white noise. Next, let's dive into the app, which is available on both iOS and Android. The app offers a firmware update right out of the box, ensuring you have the latest features and improvements. One cool feature is AuraCast, which allows for audio sharing in certain environments. This can be handy if you're in a place where you can't hear what's happening on your device. The app also supports a range of codecs, including LE Audio, aptX Lossless, and LDAC, along with multipoint connection and Bluetooth 5.4. While these earbuds aren't waterproof, they have an IPX5 water resistance rating, making them suitable for workouts. Finally, let's get into sound quality. The 10mm drivers deliver dynamic sound with a good balance of bass and mids. Volume is more than sufficient, and the sound quality shifts slightly depending on whether ANC is on or off. The bass is solid, though not overwhelming, and the mids offer good separation without being too bright. You can customize the EQ in the app to suit your preferences. Overall, the EarFun Air Pro 4 offers incredible value for money with its feature-packed design, impressive sound quality, and long battery life. If you're into STEM-style earbuds and looking for a budget-friendly option, the EarFun Air Pro 4 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.